Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a community post on YouTube on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open YouTube. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the plus at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to tap on Create a Post. And from here, you can start writing what you would like to say. And if you would like to create a poll, you can simply tap on the poll icon in the bottom left hand corner, right above the keyboard. And from here, you can add your options. And you can add another option if you like. Once you have done that, you'll tap on Post in the top right hand corner. And that's how to create a poll. Now, if you would like to add a photo, you will simply tap on the photo icon, which is right beside the poll, and you'll be able to add your photo right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.